Find the count of non-negative integers whose binary representation does not contain consecutive ones. The solution class has two methods, find integers and binary. Find integers takes an integer n as input, which is the upper bound of the non-negative integers to consider. It starts a loop from 0 to n, inclusive, and for each integer, it calls the binary method to get its binary representation as a string. It then checks if the string is 0 or 1, because these values do not contain consecutive ones. If so, it increments the count variable and continues to the next integer in the loop. If the binary representation is not 0 or 1, the method checks for consecutive ones by iterating through the string and checking each pair of adjacent characters. If a pair is found with two consecutive ones, it sets the flag variable to false and breaks out of the loop. If no such pair is found, flag remains true, and the count variable is incremented. Finally, the method returns the value of count. The binary method takes an integer dec as input and returns its binary representation as a string using the integer to binary string method. In the main method, an instance of the solution class is created, and the find integers method is called with an input value of 5. The count of non-negative integers without consecutive ones in binary representation is printed as output.